is our build circuit. First of all, we connected our breadboard to the Arduino by these two wires from ground to ground and from the voltage to the anode, because this is our circuit's power supply. Then we connected the switch to the breadboard by these two resistors to ground and these two wires to the anode. Because we only used two switches, we only placed here two resistors and these two wires. And also, so that the switch was connected to the Arduino, we placed these two wires that goes from the 8 and 7 digital pins to the terminals of the first and second switch. Then, so that the LED was also connected to the Arduino, we placed these three resistors to the terminals of the LED, and the terminals of the resistors, we connect them to the digital pins 13, 12, and 11. And so to test our circuit, we can observe that if both switches are turned off, the LED is turned off. But if we turn on the first switch, the LED turns green. If we turn on just the second one, the LED turns red. And if we turn on both of them, the LED turns blue. And if we turn off both, we have the LED off.